Good morning, children. Welcome to our EVS class. Now, can you guess where we are? Yes, we are in a garden. And what you all can see in a garden? Trees, plants. There are so many plants here. Flowers are also there. Some plants are very small. Some plants are very big. So, today I'm going to show you some different types of plants. So, let's go for a nature walk. This is a big plant, very tall and big. Tall and big plants are called trees. Trees have very thick and strong stems. And they have many branches also. The name of this tree is banyan tree. This is another tree. The name of this tree is neem tree. This also have thick and strong stem. And very tall also. Now this is a small plant. Small plants are also called shrub or bushes. They also have hard and woody stem. The name of this shrub is tulsi. This is another shrub, and the name of this shrub is hibiscus. See, it also have hard and woody stem. Shrubs are not very tall and big like trees. They are small plants and have woody stem. Now this is another type of shrub. Its name is rose plant. See, rose also have very Now this is herb. Very small plant. Herbs. They have very weak and soft and green stems. This is mint. Mint is a herb. Can you see? Very thin, weak, soft and green color stem. Very small plant. They are called herbs. This is grass. Grass is also a herb. Very small plant. Now, some plants have very weak stems and they need support for their stems to grow. These plants are called climbers. They need support to grow, to climb. Now, the name of this climber is bitter gourd. This is bottle gourd. They need support to grow. This is beetle plant. This also needs support of the wall to climb. Now, there are some weak plants which grow along the ground. These plants are called creepers. They cannot grow like other plants. They grow along with the ground. Their stems are very weak, very thin, soft. Very soft, and they grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Now this is pumpkin. This creeper is pumpkin. Now children, I hope you all must have enjoyed this nature walk and learned the names of different types of plants. Now we are going to do some activity in the book. Open your book, page number 29. Lesson number 5, Plants Around Us. And do the picture walk. See different types of trees and types of shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now do this activity in the copy. Look around and make a list of 5 big and 5 small plants in your notebook. Write their names and find out whether they are trees, shrubs or herbs. Draw or paste their pictures. Now children, instead of doing 5 big and 5 small, do only 2 big and 2 small plants. Okay? Paste the pictures of only 2 big and 2 small plants. Bye bye.